In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host a website on GitHub Pages. We'll start by using a ready-made static website sample and then publish it live with GitHub Pages. First, open the static website sample shown in the guide. This takes you to a starter project that already includes the basic files you need for a simple site. Next, choose the option to create a sample HTML, CSS, and JavaScript project that's suitable for a static website on GitHub. This scaffolds the files and opens an online editor. As you move through the interface, click the highlighted buttons whenever they appear. These highlights guide you through opening the workspace and confirming each action. In the File Explorer, open the file named sample.html. Click into the header section. This is where your site's title or navigation usually lives. Type the highlighted text exactly as shown in the guide, so your sample page has a clear heading and structure. If you're curious, the header element helps both visitors and search engines understand what your page is about. Use the toolbar action that's highlighted in the guide to apply or save your changes, then switch over to style.css. Click into the highlighted area there. This is where you can adjust colors, fonts, and spacing to give your page a clean look. Enter the highlighted styles from the guide. Small tweaks here can make a big visual difference, so follow the example exactly for a consistent result. Confirm those changes using the same highlighted toolbar button. Return to the guide's highlighted prompt if it appears again, and add the additional highlighted lines as directed. Then, open script.js. Click in the highlighted section and type the sample JavaScript shown. This script can add simple interactivity, like logging a message or responding to a button click. When you're done, use the highlighted toolbar action again to ensure the changes are recorded. Now, open the source control or changes view using the highlighted control in the guide, and click Commit. This captures your edits to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript together as one snapshot. Finally, click the last highlighted button to complete the process. With this template, GitHub Pages will build and deploy your site automatically. Give it a minute, then check your repository's Pages section for the live URL. If you don't see it immediately, wait a moment and refresh. New deployments can take a short time to appear. And that's it. You opened the sample, edited the header, styles, and script, committed your changes, and published with GitHub Pages. Anytime you update the files and commit again, your site will redeploy automatically.